Immigrants of Portugal want some good news, and they want to know when Article 88, 89 will open. Also, they want to know when light will be on, because there is load shedding today. And that's also good news, that some restoration of the light news we are getting. But main problem is I was astonished the immigration channels are giving news of closing of light of Portugal and Spain. And immigration channels are related with immigration law, so that problem became much severe. That's why channels were speaking, YouTube channels, they were, in spite of immigration, giving speaking when light will on. So I am telling you, restoration of light process is running, and there are some good news of restoration of light in specific areas of Spain and Portugal. We are getting the information. Article 88, Article 89, when it will open. This is, I think, $1 trillion question. One is $1 billion question, this is $1 trillion question. And lot of people gave idea, analysis, and they were talking, this thing will happen, that thing will happen, according to their mind, according to their analysis, according to their source of information. They are speaking. I will tell you what is the alternative. Article 88, 89. Article 88, 89 will open or not, and Portugal will keep doing immigration with same speed or not, and what is the fate of legal immigrant, what is the fate of illegal immigrant, and why the AIMA stopped Article 88, 89. And coming days, especially family appointment, almost all topics will be clear, because this is a general session in which I will predict some things. And you know already that most of my prediction closer to the facts never mean analysis. Predictions all are 100% correct. All these answers I will do in this clip. My name is Irfan Ashraf, and my channel name World Immigration News by Irfan. And I am telling you now, this is a very important question, that Article 88, 89 will open. One by one question I will share information. Article 88, 89 will open according to my opinion. Article 88, 89 will open. People are telling it will not open, but my opinion says, my study says, my analysis, my investigation of different statements and happenings in Portugal, I am observing very carefully as an immigration analyst, and my thinking that Article 88, 89 will open, but with modification. Remember, modifications will be there. Modification means with new laws. And laws may be that they will require you to get the job for file lock. Earlier, anybody who was reaching Portugal, staying in hotel without job, he was able to lock the file. Now, my observation and my source of information says that when you will get job, you will be able to lock file, you will be able to get tax numbers, social security numbers, and you will get almost all details of your file lock, and you will be able to pay tax in your time of TRC will start, mean even passport time will also start, and that will be the requirement. Mean on your arrival never mean you will be able to lock the file, and your day of passport will not start, will start when you will get job or you will do your own business. Article 88, 89, one for business, one for job, and then these are the changes expected in the coming days, and you will remember my clip. Number 2, this is also important, family appointment will open. I think Portugal government is seriously thinking about family appointment, and people are going to the courts. Court judges are writing letters to AIMA immigration department that we have immense burden of immigration cases, especially family cases, TRC delaying. Why not you people are making some rules that you handled immigrants yourself, in spite they are coming to us, we are deciding according to Portugal's law. So AIMA definitely in this election and new government will make something about family appointments also, and some new rule are expected regarding family appointment, and this will be also with little restriction, but in my opinion family appointment will also open. And another question which is also very important, that what is a good way to go to Portugal? What is a good way to go to Portugal? This is also important query about immigrants who did not enter Portugal. In my opinion, a work permit was not famous for Portugal. It was famous for developed countries. And work permit, even you was not getting visa of Portugal embassies were very slow. But now Portugal made recently some changes in work permit processings. Within 20 days they will issue work permit of the companies, and visas also will be processed on quickest way with less requirements. And they are actually making alternative of Article 88 and Article 89. So these are some biggest news of Portugal. And if you still want to go to under Article 88 in the future, for example, if I am telling that a job will be required, this is my prediction, so you need to require job. Why you will not get work permit now? You need to wait on Article 88, Article 89, when these two articles will open. These two articles did not open yet. And when articles will open, Article 88, Article 89 will open. When Article 88, 89 will open, and then these articles will definitely require you to get the job for file lock. This is my prediction. They will not blindly allow you to lock the file, in my opinion. So therefore, if you have some links in Portugal and you have some friends in Portugal, if you got genuine company and you are able to get the work permit, that is easiest way. Now you can process your application, and within some days you can start your resident card processing in Portugal as well. You can start your job. This is good way. Otherwise you will not get job. Even you will be there. When you will not get jobs, you can just contact those people who are not getting jobs, and even they are without file lock. They knew that if they will have job, they can get resident card, they can lock file, they can get biometric appointment, but they are not getting suitable job. Better you arrange your job before your departure. Earlier I was telling work permit processings were complicated. Now they had eased work permit because they knew currently people are not using Article 88, Article 89. Therefore, they are making way. Skilled people go there, work, because Portugal still in high demand of skilled workers, because people are not coming to 88, 89. So work permit is Portugal think this is the right way to attract right people. Otherwise, by file locking without job, non-skilled and skilled people both were coming, and mostly people were non-skilled. Thank you very much.